Hey, Force 13 Extra. It's Strat here.
Oh my god.
You can't say, oh my god,
Oh
dude, just
my
let me do
god.
the intro. Um,
No, I'm not gonna let you do the intro.
frick. So, during the storm yesterday, Tropical Storm Faye, I got 2 packages in the mail. One of them was a birthday gift for my sister. The other one, I didn't read it, so I didn't know who it was from or anything. I thought it was someone else that did order, because I didn't order anything else. Turns out, um, someone sent me a weather station.
Why does Strat get the nice
From
things?
ambient weather. I don't like. I'm not gonna lie. I sent the company an email like once last year. Never got a response. And 14 months later, this is at my doorstep. I don't know what this is at all. We're gonna open it. I mean, it's a weather station. I know it's a weather station.
I mean, if someone has gifted it to Strat, I'm afraid
Mom, I'm
it's
recording a
not.
video. Not right now. Mom, I'm filming a video.
Tell me.
What?
Tell me. What happened?
Someone sent me this.
What is it?
I don't know what it is.
What is it?
I don't know. It's a weather station. Why are you filming me, Mom?
Strat with mom.
Wait.
I bet she's done it.
Why are you guys filming me?
Tell me. What is this?
It's a weather
You
station.
being
I don't
pranked?
know.
What? Where'd you get
It's
it
probably
from?
from Anna.
Oh, it's from Ambient Weather. I sent them an email once last
Now
year
I'm
asking for a
confused.
sponsorship, and I never got a response.
And what happened now?
Well, I'm opening it because I didn't know what it was.
Open it.
Oh,
They're
is this
filming
like-
me open this.
Yep, they're filming
My
you,
mom and
Strat.
sister are filming me film myself open this thing.
Get on with it,
I'm
Strat.
getting on with it, Nathan. Oh my god. Gotta unfurl this thing. Oh, the wrap. Oh, something.
I'll
fell.
laugh if it's.
Oh, we got
I'll
some
laugh
spare
if this is.
parts.
I would have laughed if it was a prank.
Okay, there's a user mail. Huh! Look at this thing.
Nice. Traditional style.
It records a barometer, a thermo, and a hygrometer. Now I know what most of these are. I don't know what a hygrometer is though. Nathan, what's a hygrometer?
Oh my god.
He said, "Oh my." This is actually pretty cool. I think I can.
Hygrometer.
Yeah. I'll have to Google it, but I know it's definitely gonna be some weather thing.
You've got what? What have you? You've got barometer,
Yeah, we got a barometer. We got yeah.
Mom said something.
I know.
temperature. Would it be dew point or humidity?
Sent it to me.
You have sisters.
Oh, that's pretty poggers of them.
You might want to.
Poggers.
Don't say, "Oh my god, thank you." I think this honor our Lord. Thank you. I appreciate it. We got
Very
a weather
good.
station.
Very, very good.
Yep.
So, who sent it to you?
Something weather related.
What, Nathan?
Who sent it to you?
My sister. Like one of my sisters.
So you thought
Yeah.
you had a great time with ambient weather, that they were so happy with you that
Wait, say it again, Nathan.
you thought you pulled with ambient weather, and
It was a birthday gift because my birthday's in 5 days.
that's right.
Oh, that's hilarious. That's actually great. No, this looks pretty cool.
I can actually sense that you are slightly disappointed that it didn't actually come from ambient weather
Well, I technically
for free. Well, it did, but for free because they saw your message a year ago. No, it was nothing to do with that.
Okay. I'm kind of into weather, so I'm actually very thankful that this is a birthday gift from a family member. You know.
You better put this out. You better tag them in social media so they can see this
My
response.
mom and sister came in to film me. I'm actually pretty elated about this. This is pretty cool.
Absolutely.
Oh, hygrometer's on relative humidity percentage. Okay, now I know what it is.
Yeah, I thought it was humidity.
Okay, I got it. And the thermostats for like temperature and stuff. It's just below 70 degrees in this room right now. And relative
Right.
humidity of about 40.
Quite cool, actually.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, my room's the coldest in the house. But the mystery's
76
been solved.
here.
The mystery's been solved. We know it's a
76 here with 43% humidity.
Wow. Exciting.
Not really.
Hey, don't hack exciting things. They happen. This is 40. I think it's
Yes.
48% humidity in this room. So we're basking in some humid temperatures compared to you right now.
It's not a humid temperature, is it? It's a humid.
conditions. Well, mystery solved. Thank you to my amazing sisters for this gift. And thank you.
What a diabolical train crash this has turned out. Like every other Strat video.
What?
I said nothing. To be fair, Strat does some really good videos. He helped us a lot during Faye. There's the dab.